Hey guys, this is Mariusz from KWHotel team, and today we are going to become the experts of KWHotel free software. So you have probably just downloaded it and you wonder, how much can I actually do with a free software? Well, surprisingly a lot, and this is what we are going to focus on today. To begin with, we will prepare the basic program configuration. This includes setting up your taxes and hotel location, creating room groups, and I'll tell you why they are essential. And also we will create a room base. After that, we will move on to preparing a rate plan. I will tell you why rate plans are important, and I'll also show you some tips and tricks for boosting your work efficiency with rate plans. Also, we will focus on upgrading your customer service. This means I'll show you some features that will help you handle guests faster and make them more satisfied with your service, because this is actually essential now during the pandemic. And the last but not least, we will discuss the fast and efficient reservation management. So how to actually manage reservations in KWHotel, and again, improving your workflow and guest satisfaction. So, without further ado, let's move on.